Hello, welcome back. Here in Virginia, how beautiful, huh? So what I'm going to prepare today is fried chicken breast, and this one's going to be skinless. So I take a little bit of technique, and I'm going to apply a southern technique that I learned throughout my years in the South, here in the United States. And this stuff was delicious. But before I start, remember to hit the like button, subscribe, share this video so others can enjoy this delicious meal. Remember, if I can cook it, so can you. You heard me? If I can cook it, so can you. So go nowhere. Let's create. So this is going to be very easy to prepare. I got a chicken breast, skin. I cut it into pieces, like 3 pieces. I also have salt, the fine type. Could be any type of salt as long as it's fine. Black ground pepper. I have some thyme because I like the aromatics. I butter an egg. And what I have here is a combination of cornmeal, which I mixed with all-purpose flour. The ratio was 3 to 1. Like 3/4 of this is cornmeal, 1/4 is all-purpose flour. And of course, I'm going to need oil to fry these babies. So we keep it simple. And you can put this in a container if you wanted to. All you have to do is add a little bit of salt. Both sides. Do the same with pepper. So you're adding a lot of flavor to this. Both sides. And then what you do is you put a little bit of the thyme. You mix it up. Fresh thyme. And you mix everything up. Once again, you could put this in a container, you know, plastic bowl or whatever, and do it there too. So, let's get started. What you're going to do, I'm going to put the mix here, the egg. I always do this a little bit first, you know, like kind of put some on it. Mix it up with the egg. And you don't have to do that part first, you can do the egg mixing first. Go back, get this baby. I'll powder up. Like going to a party, a lady going to a party, putting out a powder. You know I'm joking. Here it is, and put it aside. And you do exactly the same thing with the other ones. Go back here, get them wet. With the egg, come back, and repeat the same process. It's so easy. It's a matter of making sure you have the right flavor on it. So right before you start frying this baby, you put a little bit more of the thyme. Just a little bit. It might stick, it might not, who cares? Just to have that aromatic so you enjoy the process of frying these babies. And you have this pot at high heat. I'm using some pure vegetable oil. You know, you go southern, you go soul, you know, you go pure like that. You got this heat high. you add this baby. You don't want them to together, you know, and you start frying this baby. See how it. So they're fried, they're submerged. Nevertheless, I'm going to turn them around. I was frying it for a couple minutes. Now I'm going to turn them around. Fry for a little bit until they're cooked. It's boneless, so it's going to cook quicker. Let them fry. After 2 or 3 minutes, so depending on the kind of stove and pan and oil you're using, it could be a little bit longer. Take them out, look how beautiful they look. Put them aside. Oh, look at this. Ain't that beautiful? And do the same with the other one. Couple minutes on one side, flip it and cook it for whatever amount of time you need the other side. It's submerged, it doesn't matter. I just do it for mine, you know, for entertainment purposes pretty much. But actually to keep a good time, you know what's going on.